Hi, Terry Crafter here. Today is July 8th, right, Mom? Yeah. Yep, so today is July 8th, 2015. This is my Unknown Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. It almost looks like the Builders series, Builder's Best. I don't know. I really don't know. That's the wrong light bulb because the renters did that. I got my dining room table to climb on top of. The switches are on, so I'm going to show you the light. Pulled by this pull chain. I like the light. And now I'll turn it off. Start it on high. Now here's a break with that's I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on medium. It's medium. And then I'll do low. Now the blades are a little bit bowed on this. I'll show you. I'll be right back when I get up on my ledge. Okay, now up on a little ledge, but you can see the blades are bowing, or what's that called? Warping. So okay, get back. I'll be right back when I. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it off. So that's that side, and then on the other side is a wood finish. Turn the light on so you can see it. It's a wood finish. Now I will reverse. Now this is high reverse. As you can see, I am in my dining room. This used to be the family room. That's my office. That's going to be Ron's office. And this is my really nice GE XL44 that I'm probably going to be doing a video on later on today. So, put this fan on medium. I keep hitting boxes. It's medium. Now low. Just got these little Harbor Breeze pendants. Or the old style. It's low. And then off. So that'll be my review on this Unknown Harbor Breeze 52-inch ceiling fan. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!